Nickas, boys.
Dear Nickas, boys.
So we've arrived at the second villa on our journey. This one's called Hotel.
Villas are coming soon, but that's okay. We're starting this thing off with a couple of hotels. First one was Anantara, second was Karma Kandara.
Karma Kandara. So Russia's already been here with Mindy in the past.
My phone automatically connects
to the Wi-Fi.
This place is beautiful. It's like cliffside, Uwat too. They got a little trolley that goes down to the beach. It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, private beach. That'll be dope. Thank you. All right, guys. He said this is very important, and I repeat, always close and lock the door because they have Monkey, and Monkey knows how to open door.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's the second time they've told us. Monkey can do many things. Oh wow, this place is pretty cute.
What you don't know about Riker is that he listens to weird-ass Russian music.
Come have some breakfast, buddy. Day 3 in Bali. We've arrived at Karma Kandara. Mindy and Russia have actually been here before, many years past.
Yeah.
And they were very kind to host us regardless. Breakfast is included, and you don't need to go to the restaurant to get your breakfast. You can order it in, and so that's what we did. We may have ordered a bit too much.
Nope.
Okay, we may have ordered just the right amount. We've got some baked goods, eggitos, some benedictos, some oatmeal-ish stuff, some fresh fruits. We've got our coffees, and behind me we've got a line of assorted fresh fruit juices. This is spread life. Boom. Alright, cheers.
Yo, yo, yo. This is day 2 at the hotel, the Karma Hotel. So they gave us a pretty nice room. Can't really complain about it, but we did. Not really complain. We know that they have better rooms that would make for better content. So we kindly asked the manager to see if anything else is available. Perhaps a cliffside, pool front type of situation. And if it's gonna be sitting empty anyways, we would love to be in that villa and make some bitchin' ass fun content, which will look better for their resort and be a lot more fun for us. We just got a call from our man Hero saying you have been moved from villa number 49 to villa number 2. The second villa is gonna be more better than the first villa. So we'll see you over there.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my crib. Today I'm going to show you where we're staying and, you know, just get a feel of what life is like here at the Karma Kandara. Let me give you some quick stats. This is a 2-floor, 4-bedroom villa. We've got, you know, a lot of nice features. Sorry for the mess. We've been working a lot at the kitchen table. You can tell there's all that crap there. Ignore it. I like to read my books in this neat little hanging chair. Come, let me show you one of the master bedrooms again. I'm sorry, it's a disaster. I'm a filthy animal. Bed, shit, suitcase. Come here, I've got something to show you real quick. Now, this is probably my most favorite part of this entire place. The outdoor bath. Take a look at this. You have this beautiful outdoor bath with a shower. Nonetheless, let's move on. Come with me to the outdoors. This is where it all goes down. Hi, ladies! What I love most about the outdoor area is the depth of this pool. 2 meters. Do you know what that means? You can plunge straight down, stick your arm up, and only your elbow will be coming out. We've got these fancy schmancy ladies just enjoying the sunshine. Hi ladies, pull on the toe, pull on the toe. Ooh, careful, sunburn. As you can see, the foliage is just incredible. It took us years to get that. You know, just through trial and error, we would like plant the seed on a certain angle, poof, and then we'd plant the next season, plant another seed, and then, you know, after a few years, alright, come on, let me show you the last bedroom. It's my favorite. En route to the bedroom, you're gonna notice some nice, cute features, such as this beautiful little bungalow. Great for afternoon naps, a little siesta. The sun tanning lounge, if you're into that, you can get naked. Come on. I love this. This is a beautiful space overlooking the forest, the lush. This is another bedroom being used. Sorry for the mess again. You know, closet, bathroom, I don't know, nothing really to scoff at. Same, you know, you've got the access to the outdoors. Whatever, come on. Let me show you the downstairs. Hanging out here. This is where it all goes down, you know? So yeah, this is our crib. I hope you enjoy it. And maybe you can come visit sometime if you're interested. I'm gonna go for a dip in the pool.
We've got a visitor. We've got a visitor, guys. Can you guys rush him? Rush him. Scream at him, but he might come to...
Please leave. Thank you.
Honestly, these monkeys seem very docile.
Not the one who was sitting here.
He was pretty cool. He didn't have any problems.
We literally just got a phone call from reception saying, "Hello, sir, please close all your doors. The monkeys are coming. We were notified that your door is open and you must close the door because the monkeys are coming." I got some darkness today.
We all did. We are, however, leaving now to go to our next place. So we actually have to pack, get the fuck out of here. Hence why the mess in all the rooms, because we've been living in here for a bit. Ladies, time to go to the new place.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what?
Well, we're here at the Bali Hotel. Heritage home, actually. This is one of the rooms that we're staying in. Oh my gosh.
It's awesome. So,
This is your room. Right?
yeah, this
Is it my room?
is from this floor.
This place is insane.
Mindy, you gonna cry?
Until 11 o'clock in the evening.
I just want to frolic around.
Keep it together, fairies. Keep it together.
I want to ferry so hard.
It's so pretty here. I feel like I could explode.
I know.
Riker, how long could you live here for?
A couple months.
Okay.
I think after a while I'd be like, I need color.
Okay, so we are now at the Bali Heritage Hotel in Jimbaran/Seminyak. It is very special. It is very feminine. The girls are, well, Mindy's having a moment with the light. Lots of detail. It's made by an artist by the name of Zora. And she's Moroccan and she designs all of this herself. She sources all these antiques, helped paint the walls, and it's just like a little oasis. It reminds me of like
It's almost like a movie.
Yeah, it's like a
I feel
movie.
like we're in a movie set.
Yeah, it's all vintage and it's just free for all, open. You can hang out in it. This is gonna be a sick Cribs episode.
Yes. If you've ever wondered how Instagrammers get these incredible, imaginative, creative shots,
There you go, like that. That's
this is the essence. Take a look as the models risk their lives. On the edge of despair, they could fall into a pit of disgusting water filled with piranhas. The photographer snaps his shots, asks for direction, and moves to the next location. Ready? Hold on.
So we went outside of our hotel, we walked for 2 minutes, came to this lovely little stand with Sari, who hooked us up with SIM cards. So check this out, 30 gigabytes of data in Bali costs 150,000, which is 15 Canadian dollars for 30 gigs. So we got 10 of them for the whole team. $150 gives us, I can't even do the math, but a lot of gigabytes for the entire team.
All the gigabytes.
The time they'll be here. I also have no idea why it costs so much more in North America. It's a monopoly. Anyways, super grateful. Totally nailed it. Totally plugged in. Boom.
This is ridiculous. Like back home you'd be spending so much money to use a cell phone, but in a place like Indonesia, it's so cheap and accessible. Look at both of these kids here are both on YouTube, watching them play and stuff. Just like weird, strange world we live in. The monopoly in North America is ridiculous.
Travel hacks with Rika Gamble.
Riker's really happy because we just got confirmation about getting into these villas, which we had some turbulence with because this morning we got an email saying cannot have you villa booked, and which is kind of tight for us because the boys land tomorrow. We thought we had it lined up, and so we kind of went back to the drawing board and did a lot of negotiation, a lot of outreach, a lot of email. Mindy sent out 25 million email. Alyssa read 25 books. Right, Russia edited 25 photos, but Riker sent out 25 emails. Nonetheless, we just got a confirmation saying we're good to go. So the boys arrive tomorrow and they have a place to stay and a place to play.
Yeah.
Are we all going in?
Yeah. Shoddy first drive. It's standard.
Oh, are we driving it?
Yeah.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
Do we know where we're driving to?
Just going.
Okay. I don't think they want us to drive, as far as I recall. This is a little
gear in it right now.
Yeah, it doesn't say. That's the issue. You have to just know.
Oh, there we go. Alright guys, so it's a very exciting day. We get to go pick up the boys at the airport. I don't know how we're going to fit everyone inside this beautiful little monkey car. Currently we've got 5, including our friend here. So we have 4 more gentlemen, but we'll figure it out. I've seen it done before. Oh, the way we go! Okay, bus, second gear. There's second gear. Killing it. Don't tell him I put it in reverse on accident while we were driving last time.
Yeah, I won't.
It was like, yeah, it's funny. Hey!
What day is this in Bali for us?
I think it's day 7.
What have been some of the best highlights?
Getting inside this vehicle.
Yeah.
Air conditioned room, the meals. I don't know, highlights, so many.
What are you looking forward to?
Oh man, I'm looking forward to seeing the boys. It's gonna be so good to have all the monkeys in one cage. Meep meep.
All the monkeys in one cage. Perfect. Okay. I can't handle it.